but 2 is more common. Much depends on the food supply in the area. Both are involved in incubation, and once hatched, the male may hunt and bring food to the nest. The adults are monogamous, but roost separately outside of breeding season. So not only are owls monogamous, but they make good dads.
If owls can do it, so can you.
The largest of all owl species occurring in Alabama and the southeast, the great horned owl stands approximately 18 to 25 inches tall. That's just over 2 feet and can weigh between 2 and 5.5 pounds. That's heavy for a bird.
And fully grown, they have a wingspan of 3 to 5 feet. This stick is about 3 feet. That's a big bird. The horned owl's eyes cannot move independently in their sockets.